Hi everyone, welcome to Java Is. Today I will show you how to create a simple Java program, how to compile it and how to run it. Let us start. Open text editor. Here we write program public class Java is. Open the body of Java, then close the body, and here we write public static void main array of string arguments. Open the body of method, then close the body of method, and in body of method we print hello world. So we write here system.out.println hello world. Okay, this is our simple Java program. Let us explain you each word of this program. Public is an access specifier. If we use public before any class, that means this class can be accessed by other class as well. Class is a keyword that is used before any class name. Java is class name, and every class name starts with capital letter. Okay. Next, public is the access specifier of main method. Static shows that this method can be called without using any instance of the class. Void is return type that returns nothing. Main is the method. Basically, main is the entry point of any Java application. If we run Java application, then JVM search the main method to execute the program. Next, array of string arguments. It is basically used to get command line arguments. Next, system is the built-in class that is used to access the system resources. Out is the static member of system class. Println is the method that is used to represent output stream. Here it will print hello world. Okay. Now we save the program. To save, we press Ctrl S. To save Java program, we use class name. So our class name is Java is, and we are writing Java program, so we use extension .java. Okay. Now click on save. So our Java program has been saved in documents folder. Let us check. See here Java is .java program file. Let us compile it, then after run it. See how to do it. Open terminal. In terminal, we write command java c, then java is .java file name. It is basically compile the program into class file. Hit enter. Here you will see the class file java is .class file has been created. It is the compiled byte file. Now we run this byte file to print the output. So To run class file, we use command java next class name java is. Hit enter. Here you can see the program has been printed hello world, and in file you can see system.out.println. What is printing? It is printing hello world, and in terminal you can see hello world. So that is the simple Java program. You can say basic Java program. How to create Java program in file, how to save the Java program, how to compile, and how to run the Java program. All these things we have covered in this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like the video, share to your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.